is a dream that many individuals have. And if you're seeking a venture that allows you to blend creativity, craftsmanship, and profitability, a wooden project might be a perfect entrepreneurial endeavor. Woodworking, in its various forms, offers a versatile and rewarding avenue to starting a small business. In this article, we'll delve into the world of wooden projects and how you can turn your passion for woodworking into a thriving entrepreneurial journey. The timeless allure of woodworking. Woodworking has an enduring appeal that transcends generations. The art of transforming raw wood into functional and aesthetically pleasing creations has captivated people for centuries. Whether it's crafting furniture, home decor, custom gifts, or even architectural elements, woodworking taps into our innate appreciation of craftsmanship and natural beauty. Low entry barriers and accessibility. One of the most appealing aspects of launching a wooden project-based business is the low entry barrier. You don't need extensive capital to get started. Basic woodworking tools and materials are often sufficient for your initial projects. Moreover, learning resources are widely available, from online tutorials and woodworking courses to local workshops and community classes. As you gain experience, you can gradually invest in more specialized tools and equipment. Endless creative possibilities. Woodworking offers boundless creative possibilities. Whether you're drawn to rustic, traditional, modern, or minimalist aesthetics, wood can be shaped and finished to suit your design preferences. From crafting intricate wooden jewelry to building custom cabinets or even restoring vintage furniture, your imagination is the only limit. Sustainability and eco-conscious appeal. In an era marked by environmental awareness, wooden products hold a distinct advantage. Wood is a renewable and sustainable resource, making it an eco-friendly choice that resonates with environmentally conscious consumers. By embracing sustainable practices in your wooden project business, you can attract customers who appreciate the eco-friendly aspects of your products. Customization and personalization. The ability to offer customization and personalization is a significant selling point in the world of wooden projects. Many customers are willing to pay a premium for bespoke, one-of-a-kind creations. Whether you are engraving names on a cutting board, tailoring furniture to fit specific spaces, or crafting unique gifts, the personal touch adds immense value to your offering. Online and local markets. Wooden projects offer the flexibility to tap into both online and local markets. E-commerce platforms, social media, and your own website enable you to reach a global audience of potential customers. Simultaneously, participating in local craft fairs, farmers markets, and artisanal shops can help you establish a presence within your community and connect with woodworking enthusiasts. Continuous learning and skill development. Woodworking is a craft that encourages continuous learning and skill development. As you progress, you can explore new techniques, experiment with types of wood and refine your craftsmanship. This ongoing journey of improvement not only keeps your work fresh and exciting, but also enhances your reputation as a skilled artisan, building a brand and community. Successful wooden project businesses are not just about creating products. They're about building a brand and a community. By developing a distinct brand identity, sharing your story, engaging with customers, you can create a loyal following. Social media platforms offer powerful tools for connecting with woodworking enthusiasts and potential clients, fostering a sense of community around your brand. Launching a wooden project-based wood business presents an exciting opportunity to transform your passion into a sustainable entrepreneurial endeavor. With its accessibility and requirement, creative potential, sustainability appeal, and customization options, woodworking offers a fulfilling path to small business success. Whether you are a seasoned woodworker or a newcomer with passion and craftsmanship, consider embarking on your wooden project journey today and turn your entrepreneurial dreams into reality. I hope you were inspired to watch these ideas daily. Which one of these ideas was your favorite? I'd love to hear from you in the comments. If you would like to keep up to date with my latest videos about DIY